Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your crypto wallet address on Revolut. First, open your Revolut app and head to the crypto section. Next, choose the specific cryptocurrency you intend to receive, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then, simply tap the Receive button, which will display your unique wallet address for that particular digital asset. This is your first step to securely receiving funds. Once you tap Receive, you will see a unique string of alphanumeric characters. This is your specific crypto wallet address for the chosen currency. It acts like an account number, allowing others to send digital assets directly to your Revolut account. Remember, each cryptocurrency has its own distinct address, so ensure you are viewing the correct one. Always verify every character before proceeding. To share your address, simply use the convenient Copy button provided. This ensures perfect accuracy, preventing any potential errors from manual entry. Once copied, you can paste this address and send it to the person or platform that will be sending you cryptocurrency. It is crucial to also confirm with the sender that they are using the correct network, for example, the ERC20 network for Ethereum, to guarantee a successful transfer. Finally, always remember a few key security points. Only receive cryptocurrencies that Revolut officially supports to avoid any issues with your funds. Never, under any circumstances, share your Revolut login details, including your password or PIN, with anyone. Be extremely vigilant against potential scams and phishing attempts. Revolut will never ask for your sensitive information via email or unsolicited messages. Stay safe and secure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.